I made a script which counts from 1 to 30. Now, you know how to do this. It's not a big deal. I made a script variable. I set it equal to 0. And then I'm just repeating 30 times. I'm adding 1 to count. So I'm taking the value of count, adding 1 to it, saving it back into count. And then I'm saying count for half a second. So if I run this, you can see, no big surprise, that it counts nicely from 1 to 30. Well, this is a start for your program, but this is not exactly what your program is supposed to do. Your program is supposed to play the game FizzBuzz. Now, the way FizzBuzz works is it's actually a math counting game, and you're supposed to play with multiple players, and you go around and you count, you say a number as you count, but if the number is divisible by 3, right, if 3 goes into it evenly, instead of saying 3, you say fizz. If the number is divisible by 5, in other words, 5 goes into it evenly, instead of saying the number, you say buzz. If both 3 and 5 go into the number evenly, you say FizzBuzz. If neither 3 or 5 go into the number, you just say the number. And actually, I can run this for you. Now, I'm not showing you my code, but you can see what's happening. If it's divisible by 3, it said fizz. By 5, it said buzz. If it's divisible by both 3 and 5, like you'll see when it gets up to 15, it should say FizzBuzz, 14, FizzBuzz, and so forth. So just to be clear about this, if it's divisible by 3, I don't want to say the number, I want to say fizz. If it's divisible by 5, don't say the number, say buzz. By both 3 and 5, don't say the number, say FizzBuzz. And by neither 3 or 5, then you say the number. Now this code can be written pretty simply. I mean, I would take this code that I gave you as a starting point, and all you need to do is add a couple of if then else kind of statements to get it working. And think about this carefully. This should be a short, concise piece of code. Don't add a whole lot of extra stuff to it. It's all about the order in which you check to see if it's divisible by 3 or 5. I think you can figure out. So thanks for watching, and good luck and get to work.